Hello, today we are going to prepare October 2022 paper, question number 2, Alexandra's business, and it is question number part C. Prepare the following ledger accounts for the year ended 30th September 2022. So it is a rent payable account and preparation of rent receivable account. They have given some information which is available from Alexandra's ledger account. So let's prepare the rent payable account. Okay. So the rent payable account will act as an expense account. Okay. But they have given already some information regarding the balances. So we have to just take those balances and we have to understand how much will go into the income statement. So at the beginning, okay, at the beginning on 1st October, balance brought down was 650 credit. So we have to go, because there it was already on the credit, we have to take it on the credit side. Balance BD, okay, it is equal to 650. So just put 650. And then at the ending balance, okay, they have already given the ending balance. The ending balance as on 30th September or 1st October, okay, 2022. So the ending balance as on 1st October 2022, balance brought down, it was also credit, so I am going to write it on the credit side. Okay, usually it's an expense account, it should have had on the debit side. Okay, now some payments were received by check. So some payments were received by check, so that let's write that. So bank, it was 9,650. So 9650, okay, 9650 it was received. And then it was paid, okay, so receipt by check, okay, or the payments by check, payable. So you made some payments to the bank. Towards the rent. So now let's calculate. So because let's put this balance carried down, okay, balance carried down on 30th September 2022. So that you have it is known, you have to include just like that. So let's include that, and then you will have the income statement. Okay, how much should go into the income statement? So you add up 9650 plus 600. So the value is going to be 10,250. So 10,250. So this amount has to be the same on both the sides. So 10,250 minus 650 you have to do. So 10,250 minus 650, it will give you 9,600. So 9,600. So let's include that. This is the thing. Then we have the rent receivable account. Okay, rent receivable account. Let's prepare that from the information given. Now here we can see the balance brought on 1st October 2021. So the balance brought down. Let's write. So receivable is an income account. Okay. And but it has stated that it is a debit of 250. Okay. So October balance brought down was 250. 250. Then they are saying at the ending balance we have to calculate. But the transfer to the income statement has been done. Receipts by the check was 5,000. So the receipt by the check through the bank was around 5,000. So let's write that. And then income statement is given. So income statement given, it is 6750. Now from this let's calculate what was the balance brought down on 30th, balance carried down and brought down on 30th September 2022 and as on 1st October 2022. Okay, so let's add 6750 plus 250, it is equal to 7,000. Okay, so this 7,000 total has to be the same on both the sides. So let's write that 7,000 minus 5,000, which is equal to 2,000. So that is the balance that was carried forward. So 2,000. So some of it was transferred to the income statement, that was 6750. So the remaining will go as a balance. Okay, 2,000 will be